Did you turn on the right YouTube settings before uploading your first video? Most creators don't. In fact, they rush to upload content and then wonder why their channel isn't growing, why features are missing, or even why their channel feels unsecure. Don't make that mistake. In this video, I'm going to reveal 9 hidden YouTube settings that every creator should turn on. These are the exact ones I set up when I created my channel, and honestly, they completely changed how my channel performs. Now, here's the thing. If you skip even one of these, you could lose out on subscribers, features, or even growth opportunities. So stay with me till the very end, because I promise by the time we're done, your channel will be fully optimized, no matter if it's brand new or years old. Ready? Let's dive in. Setting number 1. Let's start with something every creator overlooks: channel features. Did you know YouTube actually locks some of the most powerful tools on your channel until you turn this on? Here's how it works. By default, when you create a channel, only basic features are enabled. But that's just the bare minimum. As long as you don't have any active community guideline strikes, you'll have these. But here's the problem. With only basic features, you're limited. You can't upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You can't live stream, and the worst part? You can't even add custom thumbnails. Imagine spending hours creating the perfect video, only for YouTube to slap a random frame as your thumbnail. Would you even click that? That's why the first setting every creator must enable is intermediate features. To do this, click on Verify Phone Number. Select your country, enter your phone number, then hit Get Code. Once you enter the verification code you receive, congrats, your phone number is verified. Now comes the real game changer: advanced features. This is what allows you to apply for monetization, unlock clickable links in descriptions, and access a full suite of tools. Want a detailed breakdown? I've linked the full list in the description below. But here's the catch. You can't enable advanced features unless you've already turned on intermediate features. And to verify advanced, YouTube gives you 3 choices. Video verification. Record a quick 30-second clip by following simple on-screen prompts. Valid ID. Upload a government ID like a passport or driver's license. Channel history. Basically stay active, keep uploading, and after about 2 months, YouTube enables it automatically. Now, let me ask you, would you really want to wait 2 months just to unlock advanced tools? I didn't. For this channel, I went with video verification because it's fast, easy, and gets you approved in no time. Once you complete it, you'll receive an email confirming your verification, and boom, everything is unlocked. So if you want to take your channel seriously, this should be the first thing you do. Setting number 2 and 3. Next, let's talk about a small setting that a lot of creators completely misunderstand: country of residence. You'll find this under the basic info section of your channel settings. Now here's the misconception. Many creators believe that selecting a country here will determine where their views come from. For example, someone making content for a US audience might select United States, thinking it will boost views from there. Sounds logical, right? But it's completely wrong. The truth is, this setting only determines the legal terms applied to your channel. It has nothing to do with where your views come from. So just select the country you actually live in and move on. While you're in this section, let's tackle channel keywords, because this one actually does matter. Think of it as a way to tell YouTube exactly what your channel is about. For my experiment channel, Nano Nerd Hub, here's how I set it up. First, I added the full channel name. Then, I broke it down into individual keywords like nano, nerd, and hub. Next, I included my channel niche and the topics I make videos on. And finally, I added the names of 2 to 3 popular creators in the same niche. This gives YouTube multiple signals to categorize your content correctly, so it can recommend your videos to the right audience. Now think about it. Have you set your channel keywords properly? Or did you skip this step when creating your channel? Setting number 4, made for kids or not. Now this one confuses a lot of creators. Audience settings. When you open the Advanced Settings tab, YouTube asks, is your channel made for kids or not? So what do you select? Here's the simple rule. Only choose Made for Kids if your content is exclusively for kids under 13. For example, if your channel is all about nursery rhymes, kids' cartoons, or toy reviews, then yes, it's made for kids. But let's say your channel teaches YouTube growth, like mine. Or maybe you make cooking videos, tech tutorials, or even gaming content. Even if kids can watch it, that doesn't mean it's for kids. In that case, you should choose Not Made for Kids. Why does this matter? Because once you mark your channel as Made for Kids, you lose some really important features like comments, personalized ads, and notifications. So let me ask you, have you double-checked your setting here? Or are you unknowingly restricting your own channel? Setting number 5, Upload Defaults, your secret time saver. Next up is something that's going to save you hours. Upload Defaults. Think about it. Every time you upload, you have to type out your description, add your links, hashtags, and tags from scratch. Tiring, right? That's why pros set up defaults. Here's how. Go to Upload Defaults in your channel settings. Add a quick intro about your channel in the description. Insert your social media links and 2 to 3 niche hashtags. In the tag section, drop your channel name in a few variations so it's always there. Now every time you upload, all of this is automatically pre-written. Huge time saver. But wait, don't skip this next part. In the advanced section of Upload Defaults, you'll see an option. Allow automatic chapters and key moments. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the truth. Automatic chapters almost never work properly. They're often inaccurate, and sometimes even cut your video in awkward places. That's why I always keep it off and add my chapters manually. It gives me full control, and YouTube loves it when your chapters are clean and relevant. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps push this video to more creators. And don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll show you advanced channel growth strategies that will take these settings to the next level. Setting number 6. Now here's a mistake I see too many creators make, using the same email ID for both their YouTube account and their channel contact. Sounds harmless, right? But it's actually a huge risk. I'll explain why when we get to setting number 9, which is all about securing your channel, so stick around, because you don't want to miss that one. Setting number 7. Organize your channel page like a pro. Now let's talk about the face of your channel, your homepage. When a new viewer lands here, what do they see? Random uploads scattered everywhere. Or a clean professional layout that makes them think, wow, this channel knows what it's doing. Here's how to set it up. Go to the Customization, then Layout section. First, add a channel trailer. This is what brand new visitors see if they haven't subscribed yet. Think of it as your elevator pitch, a short, engaging video that convinces them to hit subscribe. Next, add a featured video for returning subscribers. This is smart because you can highlight something new just for people who already follow you. Then, there's the For You section. This lets YouTube show videos based on each viewer's personal interests. Want to keep it on? Great! But don't forget, under More Settings, you can actually control what type of content appears there. And finally, the Featured sections. This is where you make your channel look organized. For example, Dhruv Rathi divides his page into sections like History, Education, Science, and Geopolitics, all powered by playlists. You can do the same. Add sections for playlists, popular uploads, or even featured channels. So ask yourself, if a new viewer visits your channel right now, would they binge your videos? Or just click away? Setting number 8. This one is sneaky, but powerful. Go to the Branding tab inside Customization. Here you'll see the option to add a video watermark. What's that? It's a little icon that sits on the bottom right corner of all your videos. When viewers hover over it, they get the option to subscribe instantly. It's basically a built-in subscribe button that works 24/7. I personally use a simple subscribe icon here, and I set it to appear throughout the entire video. Why limit it to the last 10 seconds, when you can let viewers subscribe the moment they feel convinced? And trust me, this tiny setting alone pulls in 100 to 200 extra subscribers every single month. So here's my question. Why wouldn't you activate it right now? Setting number 9. Okay, this last one isn't fancy, but it's probably the most important setting of them all. Two-step verification. Let's be real. What happens if someone gets your password? Without two-step enabled, it takes them just seconds to steal your channel, your videos, and your income. But with two-step on, even if they know your password, they can't log in without your second layer of security. Here's how to set it up. Click Get Started, select the device where you'll receive notifications, add a backup option, and finally, click Turn On. That's it. Your account is now secured. Think about it. You're working hard to grow this channel, so why risk losing it overnight because of one missed setting? So there you go. 9 powerful settings that every serious creator must enable. These aren't just buttons to click. They're the foundation of your YouTube journey. Because remember, creating a channel alone doesn't guarantee growth, but creating it the right way, that's what multiplies your chances of success. If you want your channel to grow 10 times faster this year, don't stop here. Click on the video showing on screen right now. It's the next step in your YouTube journey. Now, before you click away, if you haven't already, tap that subscribe button. Because the very next video is all about channel growth hacks. These settings are the foundation, but those hacks will skyrocket your channel faster. And of course, drop a like if this video saved you time today.